everyone, my name is Fo, and in today's video I want to talk to you all about my upcoming appointment, my upcoming curly cut, which will make a year of me getting curly cuts. So my upcoming haircut is going to be next week. It's basically a trim, but any trim is still a haircut. But I have some anxiety about it. That's left over from trauma of years of not getting proper hair care service. So in order to prep for my appointment, I want to let you all know some of the things that I did. So one thing that I did is I wrote my hairstylist an email letting her know all the products that I have currently, and I let her know that hopefully we can have a discussion of how I would like to use those products to meet my hair goals. So that's number one. Send her an email of all the products I'm using currently and how I hope to use those products for me to reach my hair goals. Second thing that I did is I made sure that in that email I express what my hair goals are. So I want to keep my hair healthy. I want to keep my hair nourished. I don't want to do something like use a shampoo that's not cleansing enough on a weekly basis. I don't want to do something like use styling products that'll dry my hair out. So that's one of the goals, but I also put a picture in my email of how I want my hair styled. So how my hair is styled right now is how I ideally like my hair. I like my hair in very tight curls with some sheen, or what you all might know as shine. This is 4-day-old hair. I did my hair on Sunday. So I sent her a picture of my hair at what I consider its best, because my idea of what's good looking and her idea of what's good looking is kind of different. So the last thing I've been doing, and you all might be like, girl, what? I've been practicing what I'm going to say to her. I've been practicing what I'm going to say over and over again. I'm going to let her know that I don't want a whole lot of hair cut off. I only want the bad ends trimmed. I might even ask her to show me how much she believes needs to be trimmed. And if it's more than I feel comfortable with, I'll let her know that I don't like that. Could you trim a lot less? And maybe I'll come back in about 8 weeks. So I've been practicing what I'm going to say to her, how I'm going to say it to her. Because if you all have been paying attention to my channel, ever since I've been going to her in December, I've had to get short haircuts each time. I mean, at one point in May, I had my hair down to I had grown my hair back out after a bad haircut in the past to the middle of my back, but she chopped that off. She chopped that off, about 6 or so inches of hair, because we're trying to get rid of that henna that I did to my hair in the past. And I'm henna free right now, so I don't have to worry about cutting off any more henna. My hair's 100% henna free, but we still have to think about making sure that my ends are A1. So yeah, and if you're wondering what I use to do this wash and go, I'm scared to tell you all. And the reason why I'm scared to tell you all is because I don't want you all to go out and purchase products just because you all hear me say that I use them and they look successful and how they work for me. Everything is not going to work the same for everyone. Like for this wash and go, I did go over the top of it with my mop top gel. I can tell you that at the very least. But I knew this day would probably come. I ended up having a reaction to the mop top gel, and I was blowing my nose, or I felt like I was sniffing pepper for about 2 days. Because I am scent sensitive. The scent doesn't have to be strong. Any scent at all could irritate me. So it's best for me to use products with no scent. Which leads me to the last thing that I did in preparation for the appointment. I have already let her know that I'm having these issues with scent, and that me and my doctor discussed that it's best that I probably use fragrance-free hair products only. And I let her know the fragrance-free products that I purchased for Black Friday. Maybe in a couple months or so I'll tell y'all what I bought, but not right now. So I let her know what I bought that's fragrance free. And so at this point she'll be able to, I told her really early, I told her last week. So at this point she'll be able to go look for things that are better to let me know when I come to my appointment, or she can make sure, she can tell me how I use what I already bought, which I made sure was high quality. I made sure it was salon quality, made by a hairstylist used in her salon. So, yeah, you all, next week makes a year with Black Girl Curls, following their methods. If you don't know who Black Girl Curl is, I highly encourage you to look them up. They're two hairstylists, two Black hairstylists teaching Black women how to care for their hair. Makes a year with Cut It Kinky, a stylist. Basically, Cut It Kinky is stylists that are trained by Black Girl Curls, by those two stylists. And they really love this stylist too. She's cut one of their hair before and they think she's bomb. But you all, it's been a long time coming. My hair looks amazing. I know what I'm doing. And even though I know what I'm doing, I know how to style my hair. You all probably have seen my hair the past couple of times on the channel and it hasn't looked the greatest because I was trying to only use things that were fragrance free. And I didn't have a flare up when I was using those things that were fragrance free. But the issue is me only using those products that are fragrance free, I don't get the bomb results like what you see here. Like this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm used to. Like, this is what I'm used to getting from my hair for at least 5 to 6 days. But, you all, we're going to figure it out. After my appointment, I'm going to tell you all what my stylist said about my routine, about the health of my hair, about where do we go from here. And, of course, that video that you all are going to get next week is just going to be me celebrating fact that I committed a whole year to going to this one stylist, this curly cut stylist, spending all that money with her, because I spent some big money with her, if you all know how much curly cut stylists cost. And I followed her directions for the most part throughout this whole year, and I am being rewarded. I'm being rewarded. You all can see the health of my hair. You all can see the look of my hair. Products didn't do this. Yes, products help capture the look of my hair, but the health, how far I come, how hard I worked, that's what did this, and I did that, sis. So, yeah, excited to talk to you all next week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.